Did you know that over 90% of YouTube channels never make a dime? That's right, most creators struggle to turn their passion into profit. But what if I told you there's a way to change that? In this series, we're diving deep into YouTube automation, revealing the exact blueprint that can transform your channel into a money-making machine. Ready to unlock your channel's full potential? Let's get started. Today, we're diving into something that could completely transform the way you think about YouTube automation. Imagine your channel running like a well-oiled machine, generating views, subscribers, and yes, income, even while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a dream. It's a strategy that savvy creators are using to build passive income streams that grow month after month. In this video series, we're going to break down exactly how you can automate your YouTube channel, step by step. From content creation to scheduling, from SEO to audience engagement, we're covering it all. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to make this work. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned creator looking to scale, this blueprint is designed to help you achieve consistent results with less effort. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level and start making money while doing what you love, you're in the right place. Let's get started. All right. Being a YouTube creator is no walk in the park. If you've been at this for a while, you know exactly what I'm talking about. One of the biggest challenges we all face is time. It feels like there's never enough of it, right? You're juggling filming, editing, creating thumbnails, responding to comments, optimizing for SEO. The list goes on. And if you're working a full-time job or managing other commitments, it can feel downright impossible to keep up with everything. Then there's the content creation burnout. It's easy to start off strong, full of ideas and enthusiasm, but over time, the constant pressure to produce can drain your creativity. Suddenly, what started as a passion project begins to feel more like a grind. You're staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with the next video idea and wondering if it's all worth it. Trust me, you're not alone in this. Most creators hit that wall at some point, where the excitement fades and the workload becomes overwhelming. But perhaps the most frustrating challenge of all is growth, or the lack of it. You pour your heart and soul into your content, only to see minimal returns. Views trickle in, but your subscriber count stays stagnant. You've tried everything, researching keywords, posting consistently, engaging with your audience, but it feels like you're stuck in a rut. The YouTube algorithm can seem like a mystery, and cracking it feels like a full-time job in itself. So, what's the solution? How do you overcome these challenges and actually start seeing results for all the effort you're putting in? This is where YouTube automation comes into play. Imagine being able to free up your time, avoid burnout, and finally see your channel grow, all without having to spend every waking hour glued to your screen. It's about working smarter, not harder. By automating certain aspects of your channel, you can streamline your workflow, reduce stress, and focus on what really matters, creating content that you love and that resonates with your audience. In this series, we're going to tackle these challenges head-on. We'll explore how to automate repetitive tasks so you can reclaim your time. We'll look at strategies to keep your content fresh and engaging without burning out. And most importantly, we'll dive into the techniques that can help your channel grow consistently and sustainably. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the demands of running a YouTube channel or frustrated by slow growth, stick around. We're about to turn those challenges into opportunities. Now that we've laid out the challenges, let's dive into the good stuff. How to overcome them using automation. The beauty of YouTube automation is that it allows you to take control of your channel's growth without being chained to your desk all day. We're talking about leveraging technology to do the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on what you do best, creating content that you're passionate about. Let's start with one of the biggest time savers. AI tools for video editing. If you've ever spent hours trimming clips, adding transitions, and tweaking audio levels, you know how tedious editing can be. Enter AI-powered video editing software. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro's Auto Reframe or Descript's Overdub can drastically cut down your editing time. These tools use machine learning to automatically edit your footage, whether it's adjusting framing for different social media platforms or even generating voiceovers that match your style. This means you can produce polished, professional videos in a fraction of the time it used to take. Next up, scheduling posts. Consistency is key on YouTube, but life happens, and sometimes sticking to a posting schedule is easier said than done. That's where automation tools like TubeBuddy or Hootsuite come into play. These platforms allow you to schedule your video uploads and social media promotions well in advance. You can plan out your entire month's content in one sitting, set it, and forget it. The tools handle the rest, ensuring your content goes live exactly when it's supposed to, even if you're busy with other things. And with analytics integrated into these tools, you can track the performance of your posts and adjust your strategy on the fly. Let's talk about curating content. One of the most challenging aspects of running a YouTube channel is coming up with fresh ideas consistently. But what if you could automate that process too? Content curation tools like Feedly or Pocket can help you stay on top of trending topics in your niche without spending hours scouring the web. These tools aggregate content from various sources, so you can easily identify what's trending and what your audience might be interested in. With a few clicks, you can gather inspiration for your next video, or even curate a list of resources for your audience, adding value to your channel while saving yourself a ton of time. But we're not stopping there. Automation can also help with audience engagement. Responding to comments and interacting with your viewers is crucial, but it can be time-consuming. Tools like ManyChat or ChatFuel allow you to set up chatbots that handle basic interactions for you. These bots can answer frequently asked questions, direct viewers to specific videos, or even gather feedback, all while you focus on creating content. And the best part? These bots can be personalized to match your tone and style, so your audience still feels like they're interacting with you. Another area where automation shines is in managing your YouTube SEO. Optimizing your videos for search is essential if you want to grow your channel, but it's also a complex and time-consuming task. Tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy can automate much of the SEO process for you. These tools help you find the best keywords, suggest tags, and even provide insights on what's working for your competitors. By automating your SEO, you ensure that your videos are discoverable without spending hours researching and tweaking. Finally, let's talk about analytics. Understanding what's working and what's not is key to growing your channel, but sifting through data can be overwhelming. This is where automation can make a huge difference. Tools like Google Analytics or Social Blade can automatically generate reports that show you exactly how your videos are performing. You can set up custom dashboards that track the metrics that matter most to you, whether it's watch time, subscriber growth, or revenue. With these insights, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your content strategy and maximize your channel's potential. So, to sum it up, by automating video editing, scheduling posts, curating content, engaging with your audience, managing SEO, and analyzing performance, you can streamline your entire YouTube operation. This isn't about cutting corners. It's about working smarter, not harder. By freeing up your time and reducing stress, automation allows you to focus on the creative aspects of your channel while the tech handles the rest. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into each of these automation methods, showing you exactly how to implement them step by step. Your YouTube journey is about to get a whole lot easier and a lot more profitable. All right, let's get to the exciting part, real-life proof that automation can transform your YouTube channel into a cash cow. I want to share the story of Sarah Johnson, a creator who took her channel from zero to hero by leveraging automation. Her journey is a powerful example of how the strategies we've talked about can lead to incredible results. Sarah started her YouTube channel on a shoestring budget, posting content about DIY home improvement. She was passionate, but quickly found herself overwhelmed by the sheer volume of work involved. From filming and editing to scheduling posts and engaging with viewers, it felt like she was drowning in tasks. Her growth was stagnant, and her stress levels were skyrocketing. That's when Sarah decided to automate. First, she turned to AI tools for video editing. She began using Descript for its powerful transcription and editing features. With Descript, Sarah could quickly remove filler words and mistakes, and even use their overdub feature to correct errors without re-recording. This cut her editing time by more than half, allowing her to produce more content in less time. Next, Sarah tackled scheduling. She integrated Hootsuite into her workflow, which allowed her to plan and schedule her video releases and social media promotions in advance. She mapped out her content calendar for the entire month, set it up in Hootsuite, and let the tool handle the posting. This not only ensured consistency, but also freed up valuable time for her to focus on new content ideas. For content curation, Sarah used Feedly to stay on top of the latest trends and ideas in her niche. Feedly aggregated content from various sources, providing her with a steady stream of inspiration and ensuring that her videos were always relevant and engaging. This tool helped her maintain a high level of content quality without burning out. Audience engagement was another area where automation made a huge difference. Sarah set up a ManyChat chatbot to handle basic queries and direct viewers to relevant videos or resources. The chatbot was customized to match her friendly tone, ensuring that interactions felt personal, even though they were automated. This approach allowed Sarah to maintain a high level of engagement without spending hours replying to each comment. Sarah also leveraged vidIQ for SEO. vidIQ's tools helped her identify the best keywords, optimize her video tags, and analyze her competitors. By automating much of her SEO work, Sarah ensured that her videos were consistently discoverable, leading to a significant increase in views and subscribers. The results were phenomenal. Within just 6 months of implementing these automation strategies, Sarah's channel saw a 300% increase in subscriber growth and a substantial boost in revenue. What was once a stressful, time-consuming endeavor had transformed into a smoothly running operation, generating consistent income. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of automation. By strategically using tools to streamline her workflow, she turned her passion project into a successful, automated income stream. And the best part? You can apply the same strategies to your channel. In the upcoming videos, we'll break down each of these methods in detail, showing you exactly how to implement them and achieve similar success. So, if you're ready to see your YouTube channel thrive like Sarah's, stick around. We've got a lot more in store that will help you automate and elevate your channel to new heights. Let's make it happen. All right, let's recap what we've covered today and why automation could be a game changer for your YouTube channel. We've looked into how AI tools can revolutionize your video editing, scheduling, and content curation processes, saving you time and reducing burnout. By automating routine tasks, you can focus more on creating great content and engaging with your audience, which ultimately leads to a more successful and profitable channel. We saw how Sarah Johnson transformed her channel using these strategies, cutting her editing time, maintaining consistent posting, and boosting her channel's growth and revenue. Her success highlights the immense potential of automation when applied strategically. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. With the right tools and a solid strategy, you can turn your YouTube channel into a well-oiled machine that works for you around the clock. But remember, automation is just one piece of the puzzle. To truly make the most of it, you need to start with a strong foundation. That's where finding a profitable niche comes in. In our next video, we're diving into how to identify and select a niche that's not only profitable, but also aligns with your interests and expertise. This is a crucial step because a well-chosen niche sets the stage for your content strategy and can dramatically impact your channel's success. So, if you're eager to discover how to pinpoint a niche that will maximize your channel's potential and set you up for long-term success, don't miss the next video in this series. Click that notification bell and stay tuned for video 2, Finding a Profitable Niche. We'll break down the process of niche selection, share tools and strategies to help you find your perfect fit, and guide you through building a channel that resonates with your target audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep building your YouTube empire, one step at a time.